How to fix Instagram notifications not showing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First open Play Store and then make sure Instagram is updated. Just see if there is update here, then click on it if you found it. After that, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop, go to notifications, and as you see here you can manage any notifications you want, like comments, and that's it. Make sure this one is allowed, and you can disable it again if you want, and that's it. Then restart your phone and try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.